Thank you for tuning in. I head back to the golden state of socialism tomorrow. And I wanted to finish up the Camo project I started on my son's rifle and add a couple of doodads. I added a horizontal foregrip by Magpul, the AFG 2 angled foregrip, this one in flat earth. It delivers the same advantages as the original angled foregrip, but in a shorter, more slim profile. Unlike conventional vertical foregrips, the AFG 2 positions the shooter's hand high on the center line of the bore, helping mitigate recoil and control the firearm to facilitate faster, more accurate follow-up shots. This model will help with this low-profile setup. I also added some optics by Monstrum, a 1st Gen 3 1x20 ghost red dot sight with shake awake. This model provides 3 times the brightness and 5 times the battery life of other quality LED red dots. It features a parallax-free 2 MOA dot reticle with electronic controls. The shake awake feature is a must both for speed and to extend the battery life. Then I added a little bit of magnification with the G3 Ghost Prism Magnifier 3X. I think this is a good combo. My son is debating a light, or maybe a light laser combo, but really want to keep this one low profile. I added some paint to the sight, but everyone just calm down. No harm came to the glass. I also wanted to announce the winner of the WOE watch strap. Drum roll, please. And the winner is Kelly O'Neill, 1675. A repeat winner? Kelly, I still have your info and we'll get this out to you this week. And thanks for hanging with me. So hell, let's have another giveaway. For you Tarp enthusiasts out there, here's a chance to win. Amazon's Basics waterproof multi-purpose camping tarp. It is tear-resistant with reinforced edges and is 7.5 feet by 9.5 feet in dark green. I would ask the winner for a short review of the tarp, ideally a video. So comment your favorite camo pattern, like and all that. The winner must be in the States, as international shipping is nuts. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay frosty. And take care.